Okay, I don't know how to start, but like, give me a. Hi guys, this is the first episode of something really fun.
Time for a quick little segue because we forgot to tell you what something really fun is after all. Welcome to the first episode of Is It Naxable, where we go around trying food from some iconic spots in Bangalore to see if their food goes along with our khakras. At the end of each episode, we give them a score of 1 to 10 for their naxability, and the very first stop on our series is the iconic Meghna Foods.
The founders, Shruti, Apurva, and Raj, they have no idea why we've called them here or what they're here for. They have absolutely no idea where we're going, nothing.
Where are we going?
We have to go somewhere. We'll the location in the car will tell you where we're going. Come, let's go fast. We'll find out. Let's go. What do you think is gonna happen at Meghna's?
I think it's gonna eat biryani. Is it Raj's birthday? अभी वगैरह Raj is your birthday. हम भूल चुके हैं आपका birthday.
Guess we'll see.
Three, four. Who's gonna pay?
The marketing team has the bill.
Are you gonna eat with your hand?
Of course, biryani is supposed to be eaten by hand.
Are you gonna eat with your hands?
Of course.
You?
100%. But
They were judging me. They were judging me because I told them I will eat by hands, and now they are just.
we judge you because you'll eat. You'll put your rice till here and you'll like.
Let us see. Let us see.
What are we gonna do? Finally, what do we have to do with this?
We are going to check whether Meghna's is naxable. The biryani that we've ordered, we're going to be eating it with nax. We have to now see if Meghna's is naxable.
Okay.
So you all have your choice of khakras now. Yes. Now just go in with the khakra and the biryani and tell us what you think about it. Okay, first up, Raj. He's making some sort of a concoction.
Okay. It's not weird. It's surprisingly good.
I see somebody is not that big a fan.
No, it's fine. But I don't love it.
Go for it with methi.
Methi is really good.
Okay, guys, and see if it's naxable.
It's really good.
I would say that's super unexpected, but my favorite would be chili lemony. But what a combination! I mean, the crunch that I crave along with food. That was. We got one packet of Maggi and he hogged on it, and how?
Okay,
Thanks for the
done.
treat, Arundhati.
Who's paying? You're paying, right?
The marketing, the payment comes from the founders.
Company money, Shruti. Company money.
Okay, guys, let's go.
So that's our time. Do like, share, subscribe to our content.
Wait,
More
man,
weekly
guys.
series will follow.
We have the main question to answer, which is, in your opinion, is Meghna's naxable or not?
10 on 10.
Totally naxable.
10 on 10.
100%.
I would give 10 on 10.
So Nax is naxable. Sorry,
Meghna's
Meghna's is naxable.
definitely naxable. So
So Meghna's is definitely naxable. The founders have given it a solid 10 on 10. You guys should come check it out soon and watch out for our next episode.
Eyebrows are
Close in. Say bye.
bye.
Love you.